case in particular made me think how insane it is that anyone you know could be a cannibal without you knowing.
Well, look at you, Kyle.
Man's got to step it up every now and then.
Well, good work, man of the house.
So you're okay with my boss Brian coming over for dinner on Friday?
Sure, I think that's a lovely idea. From what I've heard, Brian sounds like a really cool guy. Kyle? What is this?
It's a meal.
I thought you didn't like meat.
I don't like some meats. That's not that black and white, Naomi.
Well, I don't think I want to eat meat at all anymore. It's just no other way to say it. It's just plain crap.
Based on the report of the crime scene, most of the wounds were found on Mr. McCoy's right arm. A truly terrible sight.
Naomi, what was wrong with last night's meal?
Oh, it just reminded me of that movie we saw the other night. What was it? The cannibal movie. I forgot the name, but you loved it.
Yeah, it was alright.
No. You loved it.
It had good camera work.
You said you liked the relatable main character and all the gore too.
Yeah, silly me.
Silly you.
It's just a fictional movie anyway. You know, it's not like real life.
You didn't happen to base dinner off it, did you?
Me? No. Halloween is coming up though.
It's November.
Yeah, but I mean like Halloween in December. You know, a bit like Christmas in July.
What is the point of that?
My parents used to do it all the time. They used to put on these crazy masks and go around spooking people in their own homes. People would actually give us money sometimes as well.
That just sounds like robbery.
It's called tipping.
Doesn't sound like tipping.
Well, my parents never got in trouble for it.
Kyle, where are your parents right now, if you don't mind me asking?
In prison. Why do you ask?
Never mind. What is that?
Oh, butter biscuits. Oh.
Where were you last night?
What do you mean?
I saw you drive off.
Oh yeah, I was just out running some errands, you know, getting ready for Halloween in December.
That is not a real holiday.
Yes, it is. Just because you don't celebrate it doesn't mean it isn't real.
Okay, whatever. I'm sorry. Was that it?
I don't know what you're getting at, but I did find something else last night.
Yeah?
Yeah, I found that cooler in the shed. You wouldn't know anything about that, would you?
That? There's nothing in it.
Oh yeah? Explain this.
Kyle!
No, you've been forcing me to eat that vegan crap while you're out there devouring this. You're an insecure hypocrite.
Don't chastise me, Kyle.
You chastise me and the holiday I celebrate. At least have me in on the action.
That would be a bad idea.
Oh yeah?
It is quite favourable to have you two here on my 49th name day. You must be the spouse of my labourer, Kyle.
Lovely to meet you.
I'll leave you to it.
What is the duration of time since you consummated your betrothal to Kyrilius?
Since last year.
I seldom experienced a feeling of festivity. Henceforth, I will make it my mission to become inebriated from fine beverages during this jollification.
Sure.
You must excuse me. I'm now in dire need to operate the facilities to regurgitate my previous feast.
Just down the hall. Why'd you leave me with him like that? Not cool.
I just thought you two should mingle a bit.
You just wanted to escape an awkward moment.
No, it's not. It's not like that, okay?
Then what was it like?
Doesn't matter. Let's stay.
Look, I just think you're being a little weird.
You want to know what I'm really craving right now? Naomi? Naomi?
Get out of my way.
What seems to be your quandary?
I don't have time for this.
Naomi, what's going on?
Nothing.
Doesn't seem like nothing.
I must concur. I suspect a queer occurrence arising.
Shut up.
Come on, Naomi.
Get away from me. You cannibal.
What?
You served me human meat at dinner the other night.
That was my mum's recipe. It's the perfect it's a reasonably decent recipe. I just did it wrong.
What about just then when you said you'd eat that man? Sorry.
I was pointing at the cake. The cake looked good. What about all that meat you had in that mysterious cooler of yours, huh?
What is this?
Ah, yes. I observe that Grinius honours the tradition of Halloween in December.
But you know, Naomi, I think it's best if we just...
This display of folly will not go unforgotten. Kylandus, you are currently on weakened ice regarding your professional position.
What?